Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add celebrities on Snapchat shortcuts. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So if you want to add celebrities and want to increase your Snap score very fast and want to be a famous Snapchatter, you have to add some celebrities in your shortcut and then you have to send snaps to the celebrities. So you have to open Snapchat and then you have to tap on story again. Let me tell you that you have to update your Snapchat. Okay, just simply tap on search again and just simply tap here some random words like this. Okay, so you can see here are some celebrities like this. As you can see, all stars account are celebrities. Tap on view mode so you can add or subscribe your favorite celebrities from here like this. After adding celebrities, just simply go back from here and you have to take a picture and just simply tap on next. And you have to tap on shortcut option because I have created a shortcut already. That's why I showing you a shortcut option. So if you don't create a shortcut, is showing clear shortcut option at the left side. You have to tap on this. So now I am going to tap on shortcut option, exchanging a new shortcut option. In case if you wishing their clear shortcut option, just simply select the people. You can also see your celebrities which you have subscribed recently. Just simply tap on create shortcut. You have to choose an emoji for a shortcut like this. I want to choose this one. Just simply tap on create shortcut. Now your shortcut has been created. And you can also add celebrities by following this way. So you can also send your picture to the celebrities and your snaps score will be increased very fast. So this is the way how you can add celebrities on Snapchat shortcut. Thanks for watching this video.